In this video, I'm going to be going over how to align text in WordPress step by step. Aligning text in WordPress is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you will successfully have your text aligned in your WordPress website. Let's get started. To start, I'm in the WordPress dashboard. In the left side menu, click on Post or Pages, depending on which you want to align your text in WordPress for. The steps are the same whether it's a WordPress page or WordPress post. For this tutorial, I'll click Posts. Next, find the post or page you want to align the text for and click Edit under it. I'll go ahead and select a paragraph of text as an example for this tutorial. You'll see the Align icon showing here. Click this. This center one will center the text. The left Align icon will align the text to the left, and the right Align icon will align the text to the right. I'll change the alignment to be centered. I'll click the Update button at the top to save my changes. I'll click the View Post icon to bring up a preview of my page. You'll see the text has successfully been centered. If you want to align text in WordPress globally for like all paragraph texts, H1s, body, or anything like that, here's how to do it. From the WordPress dashboard, in the left side menu, hover over the Appearance tab. Click Customize. From the Customize page, click Additional CSS. I provide a link in the description that has the CSS code for aligning the text, whether you want to do it for a paragraph text, body, H1 through H6, as well as aligning to the left, right, or center. I'll input the CSS code here to align the paragraph text to be centered. You'll see over to the right, the paragraph texts are all centered. If you want to align the text to the left, change center here to left. You do the same to change it to the align to the right. If you want to align in H1, for example, replace the P for paragraph text to H1. Or if you want to do it for the entire body, put in body here. Once done, click Publish to save your changes. That is how to align text in WordPress. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.